What's up, guys? Today I'm be installing some coilovers on the celica. I'm gonna put the rear ones today. The front I don't think I'm gonna do, or not yet, because it will hit in my driveway because it's really steep. So I'm gonna wait on the front ones, but I'm gonna do the backs for sure today. So I already got it jacked up with the wheel. I already took off the nuts. The wheel goes off like that. Pretty anti rings. So you're gonna want to take off these nuts right here. They're 14 millimeters. There's two right here, and there's one right there, and they are right in the middle of the car. So you're gonna want to take these plastics off. There's a screw right here. Just take that screw off. Take the screw off, and then there's like a little plastic, little whatever they call it, the clips. And over here, be careful because there's a light connected. That light is connected to it, so be careful when you're taking the arm off. You just unplug the wire. But yeah, they're right there, and they're 14 millimeters. I'm gonna take those off. Those nuts are what's currently holding the shocks or struts. So you gotta take those out. I recommend using an impact gun because those nuts were really tight on. So yeah, but you don't have to. You have a breaker, a bar, use it. Then you want to take off this nut right here. It's a 19 millimeter. It's what's holding this down, so it goes straight down and it's right there. Take that one off. Not only do you have to take the nut out, you also have to take out the whole bolt so the thing can come out. And then you just kind of, I pushed it that way, away from me. And you just bring this down. There's something's missing. Just hold it. Finally got the strut out. You just gotta angle it and wiggle it. Took me a while, but finally got it out. So next you take this nut out, and I'm gonna use this impact wrench to take it out like that. So I got the bolt out. You're gonna use this, so you're gonna have to take off the spring. I used the screwdriver, just picked it in there and popped it off. Came off really easy. This was on top here. This thing was on top over here where the bolt was. The nut was. This is right here. You're gonna use these and this. So, and that's I'm not gonna use it no more. It's the old shock or strap. Alright, so now you're gonna put your coil in, but these are the things that you're using. This came from the top of that, the OEM one. You're using the top hat, which is this black thing, and you're using that, which also came from the OEM. So what you do is, this is how it came from. This is how the strut came. I'm probably clean it because it's in the ground. And then you put this one facing down, the rubber facing down. You put it in, and this is how it came. So make sure this is also, the flat side is against the spring. So you want a flat surface hitting the spring. You put this one in, and then you put your top hat in, and put it up. You guys see? There we go. Then you get your top hat, put it in there. Can't find the hole. There you go. I have it all the way down the springs right now. That way I have thread to put. Then you get this, and you press it, put it facing down. So it grabs that right there. Then you get your nut. Where'd it go? Right here. This came with the struts, and then you put it. You're gonna tighten that up, and then you put that in there. So I went ahead and tightened that nut in with the impact. Raceland says don't. It'll avoid the warranty, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Then you just put the coil back inside, and you put a jack underneath to push this up so you can align the hole right here where you're gonna put the bolt back in. Right here, you're gonna put the bolt back in there and tighten the nut, and then you're gonna tighten those up there. So just see my jack and push it up. Alright, so I went ahead and put them back. It's the next day in the morning, and this is how it's looking. It's not 24 hours yet, so, but that's how it's looking so far. Like, it's really low in the back. I like it. Looking beautiful. I took it for a ride and it's quite bouncy. I don't know if it's because the springs haven't, like, I don't know, settled in or something. I doubt it though. I don't know. It's quite bouncy. I didn't expect it to turn into a trampoline where you put coilovers, but I guess that's the price you pay for having a lower with raceland. Kind of feel everything in the road. So you're gonna be shocked, you know, no pun intended, after taking your original shocks and struts off, because these coils are nowhere near as smooth as the OEM ones. But they do look nice though. So I haven't installed the front ones. I don't think I am, because I already scraped. So to install the front ones, it's not very good. You see my driveway over there is just a sharp incline, so I wouldn't be able to go in.